Yeah. So I know guys how to install the Ansible on the Amazon Linux too, but I will show you that Red Hat guys. So I will show you how to install the Ansible on the Red Hat, and I will show you to how to install the in the Amazon Linux also guys. Okay. So browse AMIs. I'm selecting the browse Red Hat to select Red Hat. Now I selected the Red Hat, the Ansible server, retire, key pair. I'm using create a new key pair. The key pair name is something like Ansible. Ansible server. Okay, guys, I'm creating PPK, guys. Because if we want to log into the putty, so security groups, all SSH, the linking as it. Creating a two servers, right? I will name the server for launching two servers. Yeah, I will show you how to install the. So how to install the Ansible in the Red Hat, something like in the Red Hat server or a CentOS server. So Red Hat or CentOS. CentOS, first install the EPL repository, something like EPL repository, then install the Ansible, the below command. So from CentOS Red Hat, it is easy, guys. Something like just install Ansible -y. So then you can check it the Ansible version. Something like if it is a Amazon Linux, we need to install the pip, and we need to install the Python, then we need to install the Ansible through pip, guys. So we need for Ansible, we need a Python, guys. It automatically install the Python in the Ansible-y. Okay.
Hey, why EPL repository?
So Ansible is a Ansible is so it's a different, right? So why EPL repository is yum repository through yum, right? We are installing the through yum, right? EPL repository means so whatever the packages are there in the CentOS or Red Hat, it will install by using a yum. Okay, yum install. So the Ansible package is so it's not included in that yum repository. It's not included the default yum repository. In the yum repository, there is a base repository are there, right? Something like so then in the layman language, the packages, whatever the packages are not there in the default yum repository, so we need to get it from the something like we need to get it from the out something like we need to get it from the from the EPL repository, something like a third party tools. If you want to install the Tomcat, the HTTP is the a default package. If you want to install the Tomcat is the third party software, right? So Ansible is the third party software. So if you want to install the third party software, definitely we need to install the EPL releases. So EPL enterprise, so enterprise releases only. So means. So if you want to get the third party software, need to install through yum. So we need to install the EPL. The
Dependency
outside
is
of the
there.
package. Yes, yes, yes.
So dependency, right?
Yes, dependency is there.
Got
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So successfully launch two servers, right? So those two are terminated. So two are Ansible servers. Yeah. So I'm renaming it as this is Ansible.
Mm-hmm.
So this is an Ansible client, guys. So one is Ansible server and one is Ansible client. I'm logging as Ansible client connect. So I will connect this server through PPK now. So today I'm connecting through my Windows machine. So I already downloaded that PPK file, guys. So the details, or you can connect through. So you can connect through SSH client. So you can use this something like SSH-I. So that the PPK key. So I will connect this, guys. I will show you. I'm connecting through putty.
Hari, can you please show the passwordless also? Okay?
Yeah, I will show you today. Today I will show you everything.
Yeah.
So that's the reason I taken a new fresh servers. So this is the IP address of the server, host name or IP address of the server. Yeah. Okay. So then, go to the SSH, the auth, in the auth, the credentials, browse the private key. So I downloaded the private key, right? Ansible server. So this is the private key, my private key. Let's try to connect through over the SSH. Where is this?
So this is the process through putty we connect the instance, right?
Yeah, we connect the instances through putty also, right? So that's the
Yeah.
reason I'm showing you. So what
Yeah.
is the user? EC2 user, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's connected to EC2 user. So the change settings, yeah. So appearance change. So 18th or 16th, 18th, apply. Yeah. So this is the server. This is the, so how you are connecting your Linux Amazon servers, AWS servers, either web console or, so either web console, either web client or something like it, we can connect through putty also. So now I connected through the putty. So let's check it how to install the yum. So I will show you. So from Red Hat server, right? How it shows sudo su. I'm moving it to root, something like yum repo risk. So these are the yum repo list, guys. So now try yum install cp.
When we use the repo list, M repo list.
So if you want to know the repos, like whatever the repositories are there, I already told in the package management, right?
Okay.
So unable to find the Ansible. So now we can get it from the Ansible EPL repository. Yeah, no match for argument EPL release. Yum install EPL iPhone release. So release last testing function. So no match argument release. Install EPL release iPhone. So Red Hat Linux, right, guys? So you install the Windows, right? You install the two virtual machines, right, Anand?
Yes,
So
yes. Yeah, I have done.
okay, install. Let's try this once. We can release. So the system is not registered with the entitlement of the server. We can use the subscript now to release. So this is the Red Hat, right? We need to install the Red Hat. Yeah. So you can share your screen. Anand. Yeah. So open that OVM. There is a desktop, right? Desktop is there. It's in the desktop. It's showing the shortcut OVM, Oracle Virtual Machine. The left side. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, start both. You can start both. Start. There is start, right? Yes. You can start the other one also.
So you can assume CentOS 7 is a Ansible server.
Yes,
Client
yes.
is
Please.
client CentOS 7. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes, very. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can check the IP address of the server and you can connect from the pic. Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing just. Client.
Red Hat.
Okay, two systems are ready. Okay,
Hmm.
so IP address. So,
IP space A.
yes, IP space.
192.10.1021. Okay. 1021 server. Minimize this. Minimize this server. Control. You can use the control. Right control. It will come out the mouse pointer. Right control.
Not coming out actually. This is the issue I'm facing.
You're facing
Control
one
and
second.
right, it's not working. Okay.
1 second, friends. Give me request control. Okay. So 102 is the server, right? So you can exit. Now able to. Yeah. So the other one is. What is the other one, guys? So
Root.
now you can type the password.
Red Hat 123.
IP space. Yeah. Yeah. So 1021. So this is CentOS, right? 102. This is the IP address of the server. What is the client IP address?
IP.
It's not enabled, right?
I
So I
mean,
think
means I didn't do that. Enable the things whatever I explained, right? Uh,
no worries, I
Yesterday
will
I
do it.
just created.
Okay, okay. Go to the settings,
Yeah, it's correct.
network, adapter one, which adapter three, host only. So then okay, then start. So meanwhile you can connect the other OS, right? So 198.168.56.102 server, right? This is the Ansible client, Ansible server, right? Minimum access. Root, Red
Red
Hat
Hat
1.
132. Red Hat 132.
Okay. So this is 103. Why network?
Hari, for client CentOS 7, I didn't set up the like
You didn't set up the
enables
SSH.
putty connection. Bridge host only like NAT, adapter 1,
Uh,
adapter 2.
uh, uh,
That that we need to do for a second one. Yeah.
not bridge host only. NAT bridge host only. Yeah, it's already set up, right?
Already set up. Okay.
So CMD, the command from ping 192.168.0.
102.
Yeah, it's pinging, right?
Ha,
So it's
ha.
pinging means you're able to connect. If not
Yes.
pinging, I'm not able to connect. So yeah, you're able to connect those two
Yeah.
servers. So let's try
I already
190.168.
saved localhost 1. Okay. I already saved localhost 1.
Ah,
Let's
no
see
worries,
which
no,
one that. Okay.
no worries, no worries. Yeah, root, red hat. Sorry,
One.
what is the password?
This is the which one? The client or server? Ansible server.
This is the client.
Client, are you sure? So
Hmm.
Red Hat 132.
So you
No,
can
Red Hat
use same.
123. Red Hat 123. You can try it. Yeah.
Yeah, so you cannot confuse, right? So this is the server called Ansible. This is the Ansible.
Yeah. 102 is Ansible. 103 is client Ansible. Okay.
Host name -ctl. Host name ctl. Type one host name. This is Ansible server. In 6. Then second one is new session 192.168.56.103. 103. I'm connecting the other server, client server. So this is the client server. Yeah, this is the root. What is the password? Red Hat
132.
132. Yeah. So here also for host name CTL, we can set the host name for this command,
Ah.
guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Host,
Got it.
host name CTL set
Set
type file from
host name
host
as a
name.
Ansible client.
Host name file set type on host name Ansible
Client.
client. Init 6 is nothing but a reboot, right? How
As
it, yeah.
we can.
So yeah, it takes after the reboot. So
Yes.
restart the session. So login as a root. This is a Red Hat 1, 2, right?
123. Correct.
Yes. You see? So this
Correct.
is the Ansible
Yep.
server, right?
Super.
So this is, let's try with restart.
New
Root.
session. Okay.
Restart session. Root. Red Hat 132, right?
132.
Yeah. So this is the Ansible client. This is the Ansible server, guys. So you guys see. So now you guys see this is the Ansible client. This is the Ansible server. So now I'm trying to install Ansible in this server. So install Ansible. Let's try.
Wow. It's installing, right?
No, it's verifying. Checking the, so nothing to do
Mhm.
because of, so this is not a default package, right? So now we need to install install EPEL hyphen release hyphen version. You see, EPL is installed. So now
Mhm.
yum install
Up arrow.
and you see it's coming from the EPL release. Yeah, it is installing it. So it is installing. So the package is Python is installing AML,
Yes.
Python Babel, Python CPA, and Ansible also installing this. So then, yes,
So the dependent softwares also it will install, right? So
it will
whatever we
install
need
on.
require for Ansible, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Python for Ansible, we need definitely Python, guys. So this
Mhm.
is the Python, and Ansible also installed. So this is the Ansible 2.9 is installing. Okay. Yeah, install, right? Now check Ansible version. Ansible icon version. So Ansible is installed. What is the version? 2.9.7 is installed. So you see the config file is /etc Ansible ansible.cfg. The host files also it automatically creates /etc Ansible host. You see it's automatically created everything. I already told you, right? Web servers if you want a, so if you want to give in by default one you can give it. So now let's yeah. So what is this server? First we need to connect we need to do the local authentication between two servers, right? So now I can
Correct,
do that.
correct.
Yeah, please watch, guys.
Mhm.
So
Sure.
what is the command we need to run? ssh hyphen keygen hyphen rsa. Or we are creating so hyphen rsa or without rsa also we can create, guys. So ssh you can run this command and execute enter. Here also you can execute the ssh hyphen keygen. So ssh hyphen keygen is the command to generate the public key and private key. So it's created within the folder. So .ssh means hide, right? So so there is a id underscore
Public.
rsa id underscore rsa dot public key. So here also cd dot ssh. Yeah. So here also you can see, so there is a ID underscore RSA dot pub, ID underscore RSA dot. So I want to
Same.
connect this server from Ansible server to Ansible client. So then, so whatever the public key in the Ansible server, whatever the public key in the Ansible server, copy this public key and paste it under the Ansible guide. You can create the file called authorized underscore keys. In that authorized underscore keys, so whatever the public key, right? He copied public key into the here authorized keys. So then it will know, yeah. So you have so I have the password for the Ansible server. I don't want to, so I don't want to ask the password for the if I want to connect from Ansible server to Ansible client. So I know the password. I know the password for the Ansible client. So without password, you can connect. This is nothing but a passwordless authentication, guys. Understood? So art is that authorized?
Hari, why we need passwordless authentication to connect to the other server? Means any
Yeah.
specific reason for that?
So what is the concept of Ansible agentless communication? So agent
Oh,
means chef agent or puppet client or something like so puppet client or puppet agent or something like a chef agent need to install on the target server. So here what is the Ansible? Ansible is a agentless communication protocol. There is no agent in the Ansible. So if agent if you are not using the agent, how we can authenticate? We can authenticate through the Ansible. So we can authenticate through the passwordless connection, right?
Correct. So there is no passwordless authentication in the Chef and like other right?
Perfect.
Correct. Puppet. Right. Okay.
Yes.
Got
Understood?
it. This is the advantage. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the advantage.
The reason only nowadays most of the organizations are using Ansible configuration, right?
Yes, 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 yes. That is the reason. So nowadays, Ansible, everyone is using Ansible. So what is this, guys? So what is the file? Authorized, author, authorized underscore is. This is the file. In this file, you can copy the key, whatever the key, right? This key will copy and copy it under the
Actually, that authorized file is not there now in that current directory. Means
unauthorized file
in
is
the
not there. You can create the
so we need
authorized key.
so we need to create. Oh, cut.
Um, yeah, copy, paste. Copy, paste. If you check something like if you press the home button, it will go to the starting. If you press the end button, so it will go to the last. So then it is the correct. The copied public key is correct. Now try
Save and
to
exit.
connect from this server. So
Okay.
SSH hyphen key port number 22. So root at the rate. So 10 sorry 192.168.56.103, right?
103. Correct. 103.
Yeah, let's try. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah,
We
you
are in
see?
client server.
Yeah, we are in client server. So it automatically connect without asking the password. It automatically connect. So whenever we execute the playbook, it automatically connect to the target server. It automatically connect to the in the background. It automatically connect to the target server. Then whatever we want to install, it will install. Okay, understood?
Actually, in the now we can install Ansible software. Same whatever we have done the Ansible server, the same
Mm.
we steps we have done in Ansible client also, right?
No need, no need. That is the advantage, right? That is the
Okay.
beauty of Ansible.
Mhm.
That is the beauty of Ansible.
So manually means we need to manually that we can automate using the like AML file, right?
Yes, yes. So here,
Okay.
so this is the Ansible client, right? This is the Ansible server. This is the sorry. So this is the
1 second, just give me. I'm going to mute. Okay, go ahead.
and wait. Ansible server. So this is the Ansible server. In the Ansible server, what we did, so we installed the install Ansible. So we install the Ansible, right? And so we created a password authentication between Ansible server and Ansible client, right? So no need to do anything on the client server, target server, right? Passwordless authentication. We created a passwordless authentication. So we created the passwordless authentication in between two Ansible server. This is the Ansible client. So no need to install Ansible on this client. So why we need to install Ansible? So so we don't need to install the Ansible package in the Ansible client. So what is the beauty of Ansible? Something like Ansible. So if you install the Ansible server, it will push the whatever you want and the target server with the so without password, something like by using the passwordless authentication. So we don't need to run the Ansible on the client server. We just create a passwordless between Ansible server and Ansible client. So this is the Ansible server. So wherever we are running the playbook, that that server needs a Ansible install. So in this server, we are running the playbook on the Ansible, right? Ansible server. So that's the reason we need to install the Ansible on this Ansible server. So here it will apply, right? It will apply apply the playbook, whatever the playbook. In the playbook, what we install, what we write in the playbook, you write in the playbook, install the HTTPD, install the HTTPD and start the HTTPD service. Just so for just configuration management tool, right? For installing I want to install the HTTPD and HTTPD start on 100 servers. So we need to log into each and every server and we need to install, right? It will take 10 into 100 and 10 into 100 servers. So it means it will take. So if you use the Ansible server, and you create the passwordless authentication between these 100 servers and Ansible server. So so you can create the Ansible playbook on the server. You can run this playbook. It will automatically apply the HTTPD installation and HTTPD start on 100 servers. So that's the reason we are using the Ansible is the configuration management tool. Understood? Understood, huh? So minimize this. Yeah, yeah. So we just created a pass. Sorry, tell me.
Sorry, Hari. Are you going to create some playbooks?
Yes. So in this Ansible server, we will create the playbook. So what is the playbook, guys? Something like playbook, Apache.
HTTPD means Apache, right?
Yes.
HTTPD means okay.
Yeah. So the extension is, I already told you, right? The extension is YML. So what you need to do, something like you can create a playbook, right? For example, where is your, so you have a Chrome, right? Or otherwise you have this, right?
I'm using Microsoft Edge, okay?
Okay. I sent, right? I sent a, is it?
The group, na?
In
the group, right? One
yes,
second,
yes.
I'm opening this. Okay, here you can search.
Yes. This is the one, last one.
Okay.
Wait, go down. Yeah. This one.
I'm nothing doing. Okay. This is the syntax, right?
Yeah, this is the syntax. Okay. Yeah.
Hari, Ansible is using mainly installing the softwares, the target server or any other use also there.
Yeah. Yesterday you already listened, right? Something like the deployment purpose also we can use. I will show you. No worries. Okay. So configuration purpose they are using, deployment purpose they are using for infra also, right? Infra provision. So where it is popular, something like for deployment and the configuration. Your application configuration also it will be popular.
He will show the example, right? For configuration and deployment also.
Yeah, I will show you.
Thanks.
Yeah. So the playbook is the syntax is I triple hyphen. So then this is the comment line, guys. So this is the
Mhm.
comment line. Host equal to web servers. Host equal to web servers. In the web server, something like so in the web servers, so you can give this IP address of the server. Okay. So become user equal to root user. So you can run this playbook through root user only, right? So we created a passwordless authentication between two server as a root user, right? So that's the reason. So we used as a become user is equal to root. So what are the tasks? So task, this is also hyphen name is a comment, guys. Ensure Apache is the latest version. So M is the module. So M is the module. So Ansible is working as a module. So I already told you, right? M is the module. So name equal to HTTPD. So state equal to latest. So it will install the HTTPD. So how we are installing the HTTPD, guys, manually. So you can log into the server. You can
Using the yum like install, like some packages will be
log into
available,
the
right?
server. You can log into the server and so you can use the yum install
Install, yeah.
HTTPD. So yum install HTTPD hyphen y, it automatically install. So but I don't want to log into the server. So I can create a playbook. I can create a playbook here. So this yum HTTPD playbook. So if you run the playbook, the command is called Ansible hyphen playbook. What is the command for running the playbooks, guys? Ansible hyphen playbook. The playbook name, something like. So what is the playbook name, guys? Apache.
Installer.
Apache installation.
Just give me 1 minute, I will be back. Okay? Just give me 1 second.
Hmm.
Just I'll be back.
So this is the command, guys. So if you run this command Ansible hyphen playbook Apache install that YAML, in that YAML, so what it says in the YAML says, so yum install something like yum. So this is the module. So what it module says, so yum module, what is the yum module, guys? Yum module is for installing the packages. So which packages need to install HTTPD? Or if you want to install, so if you want to install HTTP, you could, instead of HTTP, you can install the SSHD, whatever it name. So through yum, we can install the packages. Whatever the packages, we can install. So what is the state? State is equal to latest. Latest version we can install. So we can install the latest one. Something like the same way. Service is the module. Service is the a module. I want to. So something like a name. Service is the module. In the name, so name equal to what is the service? HTTPD. So HTTP service is, so state equal to what is the state? So the service
Latest.
state,
Latest.
no, 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 service
Hmm.
start
Okay, start. Okay.
or stop. If you want to stop or restart.
Mhm.
So it will restart the server. It will restart the service. So something like I want to start the service. So these are the two modules I'm including in the playbook in the tasks. So task we can run number of tasks. Something like this task having a M and service installation. The other task is something like we can copy the file from one location to another location. So you can create a number of tasks, guys. You can create a number of tasks. Okay.
Here
Yeah.
task is services, right?
Yeah. So within the
Okay.
tasks, so within the
Yeah,
task, we can run the number of modules.
services.
So
Okay.
modules. The M is the
Modules.
module, service is the module. For
Mhm.
example, I want to create another tasks, tasks. So in the tasks, I create a something like a icon name, ensure, or something like a copy the file. So we are copying a file from one location to another location. Copy is the module. Okay. So what is the module? Copy is the module. Copy module. So source to destination. Right. So what is the source to destination? So what we are providing? So how so the destination, and we can give the path also. So path to source to destination. So we can, so in the copy module,
John. Hari, is there any documentation like Terraform documentation will be there, right?
yes,
Syntax,
yes,
everything
yes.
available
The
like that
same
will be
like doc start Ansible.
available.
So
Oh,
this is
cool.
the, yeah. So this is the documentation. You guys can check it whatever you want. Okay. You guys can check it whatever you want, guys.
Please share it in the group WhatsApp text.
Yeah, I will share it in the WhatsApp group. You see, so something like a copy file with owner and permissions. So what is the module, guys? Copy is the module. Source to destination owner. So something like a source. So this file copy to destination slash etc 4.com. So something like without username or what without permissions we can use it. Yeah. So this is the copy module, source destination. So we can copy the file from one location to another location. We can use the copy module. Now you understood? So copy is the source, SRC and dist. So these are the module. Copy is the module. Copy is the module. We have a two tasks. So one is for HTTP installation and starting, then copy a file from one location to another location. Okay. These are the two tasks. These are the two tasks. So in the playbook, we have a number of playbooks. In the playbooks, you can run number of tasks. Okay. So what is the playbook? Apache installation start. Apache installations dot aml. So what is the extension for the Ansible playbooks, guys? .yml. So for Terraform .tf. For Ansible .yml. So let's run this playbook. WQ. Yeah. So what is the playbook, guys? How we can run the playbook?
YML file name, right? Ansible YML file name.
Mm. So Ansible hyphen playbook
Playbook,
playbook
playbook name.
hyphen aml.
Space needed, no?
Mm.
No, no.
No space. So here skipping no host match. So
Oh,
something like if you are providing any host, no, right? So we are not,
yes, correct.
yeah, we are not added this host. See this host in the something like what is IP address? IP. Yeah, what is IP
103.
address, guys? 103. So this IP address is not added anywhere. So that's the reason that there is something like it's saying skipping no host match. So that's the reason. So I'm adding /etc host Ansible host. So in the so what is the so what is the group we provided? We provided the group name is called to web server. So we can include the IP address in the web servers. I will show it to you guys. 56.103, right? I'm specifying the IP address in the these are the comments. Hash is nothing but a comment, guys. It will not execute anything. So definitely we need to we need to uncomment the web servers also. Yeah. So the group is web server. In the web servers, which server? On the which server we need to install the, so on the which server we need to install the or else I
Client
can
server
give.
103. Like this, we can install multiple servers, right?
Yes, yes, we can install multiples. If the group I already told you, right? The host group. If you are providing a host group,
Just
yeah,
we need to add host name here. That's it, right? In the host
yeah,
file
host
name.
name. Yeah, host name. You can add it. So this is the default host. If you want, you can create your own customized inventory file also.
Mhm.
You can give customized inventory file also. Yeah. Let's try Ansible playbook. What installation that I mean. So before that, we need to check. So So how to check thrice if the service is installed or not? RPM hyphen QA HTTPD. HTTPD install? No, HTTPD is not installed. Let's try with the start the server. Systemctl uh, status HTTPD. So could not find, right? So let's try to install the Apache on the server and start. So start the HTTPD.
We can check HTTP services also, right? Using grep command.
You can check it on the
Okay.
ES hyphen. Yep.
EAF grep HTTP.
So there is no service running, right? So you see, so here playbook. So here, right, playbook. So here, sorry, playbook. So playbook, it run the playbook task. So gathering parts, yes. So I'm able to connect to this server. I'm able to connect to gathering parts. Task is nothing but I'm able to connect this server. So task is ensure Apache is the latest version. Yes, changed. Apache is the latest version. Then the second task is ensure Apache is running. So yes, yeah, changed. That is changed. So play recap. So okay, three. So what is three? So one is for connecting the server. The second one is for installing the Apache. The third one is for running the service. Okay, change it to what are the changed? Install the Apache and the running the Apache. Running the Apache. There is no failed ones, right? There is no failed. Skipped zero. So rescued zero, ignored zero. So OK three, change it to and unreachable zero, failed zero. Let's check if the package is installed or not. You see, package is installed. HTTPD. So before there is no package installed, but through Ansible it is installed. Let's check the system status. Price. So it is running. So before it
Yeah,
is. So before it is. So let's before it is something like systemctl status HTTPD. So unit of HTTPD service could not found. Right. So after
correct.
a playbook ran, so it is running. Have you understood?
Yeah, yes.
Guys, understood? How? Jason, you there? Guys, are you there?
I'm there. Anand. Okay.
Yeah, you are there, but guys, Kehende, Jason, you there? Jason, Kehende, Pau,
Yeah, I'm here.
yeah, you understood? Jason, did you understood?
It's complex, but I have to go over the video.
Yeah, you can watch the video again. So it is simple. Just so I'm creating a just I created a just I created a playbook. Just I created a playbook. The playbook is something like we need to install the HTTP. We need to install the HTTP and start the HTTP. So I'm running. I wrote this YAML file in the Ansible server and I run the playbook through the Ansible playbook. So what is the command to install Ansible playbook? Apache installation.yaml. Apache installation.aml. So once it is running, it will connect to the server, and it whatever we wrote in the playbook, it will apply it on the target server. It will apply it on the target server. Now you understood? Yeah, you can watch the recording, then you will understand, guys.